A new Israeli research found that germs can cooperate against the predator that wants to eat them, and that together, in a common effort, they can kill it. The research shows that germs come together around the predator that's much bigger than them, each injecting it with a tiny amount of poison, but together it's enough in order to kill it. And my question is, how is it that such tiny particles are so smart? How? It doesn't depend on their size, but it depends on the recognition of evil. What do you mean? That they discover that they have a common enemy, and then they're willing to cooperate in order to stop it. But how do they cooperate? They don't have an intellect. How do they reach such harmony? They do. They feel that it's against them, that it's threatening them. Then they do the math. What do we have left to do? Only thing is to attack it and put all of our poison into it. In nature, there are different collaborations that you're stunned by, like a school of fish, for example. Everyone's moving, and I'm thinking, how is it that they don't collide? Zero accidents. How? Seems to me that all these things are guided by a higher, upper mind, and that they only realize its orders. Why can't this upper mind guide and direct us human beings? We have free choice. We ourselves need to find how to direct ourselves according to the upper mind. I see that people practically can't cooperate in anything. Each has their own ego, their own interests. So we'll need to come to the recognition of evil because we fail to cooperate. And then we'll discover that there's an upper mind that's willing to guide us. And we only need to free ourselves of this foolishness, that as if we're the ones guiding ourselves. We need to put ourselves in the hands of the upper force, and then we'll succeed. Where's this upper mind? Here? It's covering everything. What do you mean here? Here where? It's covering everything. And it gives us all of our results in life. So why doesn't it work on us people? It does, only we don't want to see its actions. We don't want to put ourselves in the hands of the upper force. To put ourselves in the hands of the upper force, how? The upper force, the upper mind, are working in order to connect everyone. They're the ones connecting the germs everywhere. These forces want to build good relations between all created beings on all levels. That's what makes a school of fish so smart and synchronized, like one body. Exactly. So if I want to introduce this mind into my life, then you need to put yourself in the hands of the upper force for him to guide and direct you in the right and good direction. What do I tell him? That you want to be good to everyone.